I went to see that movie and I said, that is the movie.
Okay.
Acting, story, skills. That's the movie. But that movie, people like, youngsters, they don't like it. R for children. There is nothing for children. Nothing is whatsoever coming for children. What they see? If you go to England or any other world, Western world, every year, especially on Christmas and Easter, there are special films coming out, animated for children especially. So we should go somewhere that we should bring something for children. What do children know? They don't know Mahabharata, they don't know Ramayana.
Yeah.
There's the generation which I feel sad. Today, when I see these youngsters are so professional, they talk about the skills, they talk about the techniques, camera angle, I just feel, oh my God, I should have learned that.
Every artist has a story, but very few lived the story throughout the various modes of creative world. Guest today has journeyed his story from All India Radio to BBC, from Hindi to English, Punjabi and multiple other languages. Let's hear it from him directly. So today we have with us Mr. Krishan Tandon. Okay, hi Mr. Tandon, it's pleasure to have you here with us. With your journey of over 5 decades and working across the sectors of media and entertainment. So good to have you here with us.
Thank you very much for having me. And one small request, don't call me Mr. Tandon, call me Krishan. That will be more, yeah.
So Krishan जी, बहुत अच्छा लगा आप यहाँ हमारे साथ हैं. तो हम शुरुआत करते हैं आपकी जर्नी से.
जी.
Your career began in All India Radio.
That's right, yeah.
Delhi,
Yeah.
1972.
True, yeah.
Tab 1972, up 2026. How do you see the difference? How did your journey begin and how did you get into performing arts?
Oh, a very tough question actually. Yes, it wasn't easy. Getting into radio was, I must give this credit to my Mamaji, who was already there, a voice as a drama artist. He took me there. I failed few auditions there, drama, and being a little bit, I'm going to be a radio artist, but it wasn't easy. So after some time, I was approved in Yuvavani, which was in 1972. After that, I didn't look back. Then gradually, I was going ahead, furthering my skills, going into main drama section, Delhi drama section, which was a little higher than Yuvavani. And then I became an announcer there, which was in 81. Yeah, so it was, in the meantime, I would do a little bit of small items on the television, Delhi Doordarshan.
Okay.
So it was quite good.
Nice. So you kept on reinventing yourself.
Absolutely.
From radio, TV,
Yeah.
theatre, OTT,
Yeah.
web series,
Yeah.
I think Punjabi, Hindi, international films, lot of things, international productions also.
Yeah.
How does that makes you feel? That
It's a lovely journey actually. During that time, right from 72 till 94, my journey was immaculate, full of fun. I joined as a casual announcer, Pragati Maidan, Trade Fair Authority of India, where we would have international fairs. Now the name is changed. So off time I would just go to the theatre, Hamsadhwani and everywhere, and I would make announcements for the cultural programs. At the same time, I became an artist, an actor in Satellite TV in Mandi House. And then started to do small plays, productions. I met Al-Qazi Sahab, NSD's chief. Then I learned a lot from him. Then what the biggest thing happened in my life during AIR span, I met so many people, learned the speaking skills. Zaban को मैंने अपने आगे बढ़ाया. Like Amrita Pritam ji, Khushwant Singh ji, Bhishma Sahani, Balraj ji ke chote brother. So you won't believe, I would sit right there, in their charan पैरों में, and I would get told of everything. But I learned. I have never been friends with people who are my age. I have been friends with people who are 20 years older to me. That's probably I learned from them.
मुझे लग रहा है आपने गुरु शिष्य परंपरा को आगे लेके चला and गुरु बना के आपने सबसे शिक्षा ले ली.
सबसे
So was that thing that kept you relevant in the industry during the journey?
Absolutely, it does. It did help, no doubt, because when you have a confidence on your skills that you can speak अच्छी language, what I believe about language is, and whatever language you speak, it should be pure. मतलब इसमें sorry to say उटपटांग नहीं होना चाहिए,
Right.
इधर का उधर का की का ये. So I always tell youngsters that speak only limited, but speak pure. उर्दू बोलनी है तो अच्छी बोलो, पंजाबी बोलनी है तो अच्छी बोलो, हिंदी बोलनी है तो अच्छी बोलो. So that's what I learned from them. Because I was just thinking कि if I don't have any skill, I'm not saying I'm master of everything, but yes, I'm confident I can perform in any way. I can go anywhere and talk to people. So this confidence I got from AIR and from people who I met, who I knew. Yeah.
Great. You're continuously talking about skills. Is that correct that talent gives you one time watch, but your skills keeps you relevant throughout your journey in the industry?
Of course, skills are the most important things you have. Because talent comes later. If you are looking at something and you want to grasp something out of that, then your talent comes. How further you can take it. Because the first is skill, then you are ready to accept anything and pick it up from A, and then the talent comes, you can take it to B, C, D. So skill, you should be more skilled person than I think you should be talented. Of course, they both are together, but my belief is that skills are more important.
So that talent
learn.
needs to be polished every time.
Absolutely.
And we have seen your journey, 5 decades, 5 long decades.
Yeah.
And you have continuously kept learning, continuously kept adapting. अभी हम लैंग्वेज की भी बात करें, जैसे
जी.
आपने बोला, तो अभी हम शुद्ध भाषा की जब बात करते हैं, मैंने देखा है आप पंजाबी में बात करते हैं तो लगता ही नहीं आपको हिंदी आती है, आप हिंदी में बात करते हैं तो लगता ही नहीं आपको और कोई लैंग्वेज आती है, एंड जब इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं तो लगता ही नहीं है लाइक यू आर फ्रॉम यूके एंड अराउंड द वर्ल्ड आपने ट्रैवल किया है.
आपने शायद सही कहा, लेकिन मैं अपने आप को जब मैं because I'm in London, when I am sitting with Goras, typical British people, then I will say, I'm not good in English. So they look at me because मुझे लगता है कि if I'm lacking in that particular language, then I shouldn't be speaking that. But naturally, if you are there in the mainstream, you are meeting people, so you have to be like that. You can't avoid, because they are not going to understand any other language, and there is no excuse.
Right.
So whereas Hindi comes, Hindi definitely is our national language, which is unfortunately hasn't been announced. For last 30 years, I have been promoting Hindi. Every year I go everywhere in the world and celebrate Hindi Divas.
अच्छा, नाइस.
हाँ जी.
nice.
और लास्ट ईयर मैं हरिद्वार में था.
अच्छा.
और उसमें 40 देशों के लोग आए थे, और जो कोई जापानीज है, कोई चाइनीज है, और वो हिंदी बोल रहे थे. लेकिन हमारे देश में अफसोस ये है, हिंदी को छोड़कर अंग्रेजी मीडियम बनता जा रहा है. किसी भी आप कॉर्पोरेट हाउस में चले जाइए, कहीं भी चले जाए, हाय सर, हाउ आर यू. अरे यार भाई. एंड देन यू वोंट बिलीव, आई हैड सम क्वेश्चंस, फेस दोज क्वेश्चंस. नमस्कार सर, आप तो इंग्लैंड से हैं. अरे यार, मैं इंग्लैंड से हूँ, बट मैं देसी भारतीय हूँ भाई.
Seriously.
मतलब आपको ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मुझसे आप अंग्रेज़ी ही बोलें. हो सकता है मुझे अंग्रेज़ी आती ना हो, मैंने सीखी नहीं. सो ये चीज़ हम लोगों को समझनी चाहिए. इट डजंट मैटर वेयर एवर यू कम फ्रॉम, बट व्हाट मैटर्स इज यू नीड टू लर्न योर मेन लैंग्वेज. That's what. I might be wrong.
मुझे लगता है अब आपसे मेरे को हिंदी से जाके पंजाबी में बात करने का मन कर रहा है.
नहीं, तुसी पंजाबी शुरू हो जाओ. मैंने कोई एतराज नहीं पंजाबी बोलना चाहिए.
चलो, इंग्लिश हिंदी हो गया, अभी थोड़ा सा पंजाबी तड़का ऐड करते हैं. ओके, मैं कॉन्शियस हो गई. क्योंकि मैं दिल्ली बॉर्न हूँ, तो मुझे इतनी अच्छी पंजाबी नहीं आती, बिकॉज आपने पहले ही बोल दिया क्लियर लैंग्वेज.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, आप बिल्कुल मत डरिए, क्योंकि पंजाबी में क्लैरिटी का कोई महत्व नहीं है.
माड़ा मोटा भी अंदर ठीक है,
क्योंकि पंजाबी होनी चाहिए. पंजाबी टक्का काउंट करता है.
सही गल है. ते ਉੱਥੇ यूके रह के भी वो पंजाबी हिंट, पंजाबी तड़का हुने भी हैगा.
बहुत तगड़ा हैगा, क्योंकि मैं दिल्ली का, तो मेरी पंजाबी बहुत लाइट है. ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਦੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਭੈਣ ਭਰਾਵਾਂ ਦੇ ਘਰ ਜਾਓਗੇ, ਜਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸਿੱਖ ਫੈਮਿਲੀ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੋਰਨ ਐਂਡ ਬ੍ਰੌਟ ਅਪ ਤੇ ਨਹੀਂ, ਯੰਗ ਏਜ ਉੱਥੇ ਚਲੇ ਗਏ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸੁਣੋਗੇ ਨਾ ਉੱਪਰੋਂ ਨਿਕਲ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਇੰਨੀ ਮਤਲਬ ਸਖਤ, ਇੰਨੀ ਪਿਓਰ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਬੋਲਦੇ ਨੇ। ਘਰਾਂ 'ਚ ਆ ਜਾਓ, ਆਏ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੈ ਘਰ ਆ ਜਾਓ,
ਘਰ ਆ ਜਾਓ।
ਕਿੱਥੇ ਖਲੋਤੇ ਹੋ, ਕਿੱਥੇ ਖਲੋਤੇ ਹੋ, ਵੀ ਡੋਂਟ ਕਾਲ ਇਟ ਖਲੋਤੇ ਹੋ, ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ 'ਚ ਵੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਖੜੇ ਹੋ, ਮੈਂ ਆਨਾ।
ਨਹੀਂ, ਆਪ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਪਤਾ ਤੇ ਮੇਰੀ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਮਾੜੀ ਜੀ ਪਿਓਰ ਹੋ ਗਈ।
ਦੈਟਸ ਟਰੂ। ਮੈਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਫਿਲਮਾਂ ਕਰਦਾ
ਹਾਂ।
ਔਰ ਮੈਂ ਹੁਣੇ ਸੈਪਟੰਬਰ ਲਾਸਟ ਈਅਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇੱਕ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਫਿਲਮ ਲੰਡਨ 'ਚ ਕਰ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ, ਲੇਟ 'ਚ। ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਕ੍ਰਿਪਟ ਆ ਗਈ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਸਰ ਆਹ ਸਕ੍ਰਿਪਟ ਪੜ੍ਹ ਲਓ, ਦਿਸ ਇਜ਼ ਦ ਸੀਨ, ਐਕਸਟੈਂਪੋਰ ਕਰੋ। ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਕਰ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਤਾਂ ਓਏ ਕਿੱਥੇ ਖੜਾ ਹੈ ਤੂੰ, ਇਹ ਸਭ ਡਾਲ ਰਿਹਾ। ਇੱਕ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਆਇਆ ਜਵਾਕ।
ਜਵਾਕ।
ਹੈਵ ਯੂ ਹਰਡ ਆਫ दैट?
ਬੱਚਾ।
ਬੱਚਾ। ਮੈਂ ਉੱਥੇ ਅਟਕ ਗਿਆ, ਮੈਂ ਕਦੀ ਸੁਣਿਆ ਹੀ ਨਹੀਂ। ਕਹਿੰਦਾ ਸਰ, मैं क्या, मैंने मुझे लगा कि मिस टाइपिंग है, ज्वार होएगा, यू नो। मैं क्या ज्वार की करेंगे, और कहता सर जी ये ज्वार नहीं जवाक है।
जवाक है।
मैं क्या बट व्हाट डज इट मीन? कहता जी न्याणे। मैं क्या व्हाट डज न्याणे मीन?
यू डोंट नो न्याणे आल्सो?
बच्चा ही कहने हैं,
बच्चा ही कहने हैं।
बच्चा रो रहा है, बच्चा खड़ा है। कहता उन्हें मत्था पिट लिया, कहता सर जी तुसी पंजाबी हो नहीं,
नकली पंजाबी हो।
नकली पंजाबी हो। मैं कहा यार मैं लुधियाने का है, बहुत कट रहे हैं, लेकिन दिल्ली मेरी अपब्रिंगिंग हुई है, तो मैं दिल्ली दी, मैं कहा डिसेंट पंजाबी बोलता। कहता अच्छा जी ਅਸੀਂ डिसेंट नहीं बोलते।
कॉन्ट्रडिक्ट करता तो।
मैं कहा तुसी देहाती, अच्छा खाना खा रहे हैं, ही सेड टू मी बाबे वो गंडा लो। आई वाज जस्ट वंडरिंग, मैं कहा गन्ना ਇੱਥੇ ਕਿੱਥੇ यार?
गंडा।
हाँ,
अनियन।
अनियन। मैं क्या भरा जब तक मैं ਇੱਥੇ प्याज बोलो, लून बोलो, नॉर्मल शब्द बोलो, तुसी प्लीज लून गंडा, वो मैं क्या ना बोलो। कहता सर सॉरी टू हैव यू ऑन बोर्ड।
Oh God, lot of learning.
Lot of learning.
मजा आया होगा, मजा आया होगा।
मजा आया, बहुत मजा आया।
ਭੰਗੜਾ ਵੰਗੜਾ ਵੀ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੋ?
हाँ जी, मैं देख देख के पा लेता, तुसी पा रहे हो तो मैं भी पा लांगा।
ਚਲੋ ਮੌਕਾ ਲੱਭਨੇ ਆ ਕਦੋਂ।
डेफिनेटली डेफिनेटली।
ਚਲਿਏ ਵਾਪਸੀ ਆਨੇ ਆ ਆਪਾਂ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਚ, ਅਦਰਵਾਈਜ਼ ਆਪਾਂ ਪਹੁੰਚ ਜਾਣਾ ਹੈ
पहुंच जाना पिंड, बिल्कुल। पंजाबी इज नेवर एंडिंग।
Yes, yes, indeed, such a lovely language of India.
Absolutely, yeah.
हम बात कर रहे थे अपना continuous learning.
जी।
Future of entertainment, what do you see? OTT, radio. Radio is back. It
Radio
was
is back.
considered gone. Television is there. 12 सब सेक्टर्स हैं मीडिया एंड एंटरटेनमेंट के। OTT, फिल्म, टेलीविजन, थिएटर, हम बात करते हैं अम्यूजमेंट पार्क की, लाइव एंटरटेनमेंट, लाइव इवेंट्स। लाइव इवेंट्स आर टेकिंग सच अ बूम।
Absolutely.
Movies are being sold for 1200. Live shows are getting sold for 12,000 and people are spending to get experience. How do you see the future of entertainment?
OTT has a very, very bright future because at the moment the OTT is developing. Even Punjab has created its own OTT. There are Chopal, there are Cable One, there are few different names, and especially now the biggest names are Netflix and Prime. And there are so many in Mumbai, Z5, this is whatsoever. And whereas the films are concerned, I think films are more focused on one thing only. That is, I wouldn't name that because it doesn't look good, it doesn't sound good. That's all kind of few clothes and all that. So they are not moving ahead. They are copying Hollywood. But they do not know, they do not realize the stories and the presentation in Hollywood is so ahead, so far good. We pick up the things from there, but we present it on our own way, which is wrong. Which is wrong. There is no creativity in Hindi films. Look at the time of 70s, 80s. I worked with B.R. Chopra Sahab. I did a Chunni serial with them. उस समय there was a creativity, like there used to be two people on set. Two कौन? एक director, एक DOP.
Okay.
We started calling DOP director of photography because there used to be only cameraman.
हाँ, right.
वही main होते थे. And there used to be a big camera, huge, if you remember, with the magazine on that. Cut. 8 seconds में 400 frames.
अच्छा.
And when he would remove the that thingy, he would put the black kapra on his head to remove so that it doesn't get exposed in the light. So that was, and there was a faith, trust between these two people. Director would come, Rana Sahab, हो गया? हाँ सर हो गया, रीटेक की जरूरत नहीं है, बिकॉज इफ यू डू रीटेक द सेकंड मैगजीन विल गो ऑन द कैमरा. नहीं सर, आप पे बिलीव कर रहा हूँ, आपकी 2 आंखें मेरी 2 आंखें, बिकॉज आई कांट सी द मॉनिटर, देयर इज नो मॉनिटर. नाउ इज द मॉनिटर, डायरेक्टर इज रिलैक्सिंग, देयर आर 5, 6, 7, 8 पीपल अंडर हिम. ओके सर, यू आर श्योर? नहीं यार दूसरा ले लो, तो एक तीसरा ले लो. इट्स रिलैक्सेशन,
It's digital, so
it's digital,
easy to remove.
and people think that, and I believe it's a waste of time. People try to prove that, oh yeah, we are doing the best, but I don't think it's the best. If you sit with top-notch actors like Nasir Sahab and all, they won't like it. They say यार अब जब हम बोल रहे हैं, डायरेक्टर बोल रहा है कि होगा नहीं सर, एक और थोड़ा सा ग्लिच है. अरे यार ग्लिच है तो निकाल दो.
if you're using technology.
Yeah, so that's what happens.
Right. I agree with this. Changes are there, and of course, OTT is a boom because the small device of entertainment is no longer entertainment.
Yeah, it's no longer entertainment.
No, I'm sorry. The small device of telecom is no longer a telecom device. It's an entertainment device in everybody's
But
hand.
entertainment, if we call entertainment, entertainment is only in certain frame. सिनेमा चले जाओ, you choose धुरंधर लगी है या any other film, कोई भी चल रहा है, वो देखते हैं यार, because it's different. And if you go for, like for an example, you must have heard that movie मैं वापस आऊँगा.
जी.
It only clicked or only succeeded because of the word of mouth. It was a flop film. I went to see that movie and I said, that is the movie.
Okay.
Acting, story, skills. That's the movie. But that movie, people like, youngsters, they don't like it. So this is the thing. So we are lacking that way. We are not attracting youngsters towards the films. So that's why they run towards OTTs.
OTT because the patience span and the capacity of the younger crowd is reduced.
Absolutely.
They want to get everything in short.
Yeah.
So short films, reels, YouTube, Instagram reels, that's booming.
Yeah,
Because वो
yeah.
10 सेकंड में पूरी स्टोरी जाननी.
फॉरवर्ड किया हो गया.
राइट. इंडियन हीरोज थे जो राजा थे, जो रीजनल हीरोज थे, जैसे महाराष्ट्र में शिवाजी बहुत नाम
बिल्कुल भगवान है वो तो.
भगवान है. लेकिन हमारे पंजाब के हीरोज, हमारे छत्तीसगढ़ के हीरोज, हमारे अनसंग हीरोज, उनकी स्टोरी अगर हम इंडियन ही बाहर लाएं, इट कैन बी कंज्यूम्ड सो वेल. बिकॉज in this the Jungle Book, Indian story, Indian boy, IP is not in India. That how do you see that IP creation should happen and Indian stories needs to come out on a global
Definitely scale? I mean, when I'm in India, I don't see any film, what you call that, animated films or cartoon films are for children. There is nothing for children. Nothing is whatsoever coming for children. What they see. If you go to England or any other world, I mean Western world, every year, especially on Christmas and Easter, there are special films coming out, animated for children especially. And my daughters are grown up now, I go and watch those films with them because I love it. We laugh, we cry, we do. But there is nothing. So we should go somewhere that we should bring something for children. What do children know? They don't know Mahabharata, they don't know Ramayana. There's the generation which I feel sad. There was an incident when I was sitting with youngsters like collegiates at Pragati Maidan during my book launch. So I see we were just generally talking, they were reading books. Kya kar rahe ho? Out of nothing, because I love interacting with people. So one was listening to something. He said, I'm listening to one of the Mahabharata ka episode. I was really impressed. It was 26, 27. So the other ones asked, he stopped it. Other one asked, Mahabharata, क्या महाभारत मतलब? वो कहता है यार महाभारत सुन रहा हूँ, बड़ा अच्छा एपिसोड है. तो दूसरी कहती है यार महाभारत वही ना जिसमें रावण था. And that made me to leave that place. I didn't say anything. मैं कहा भैया हो गया, वही ना महाभारत, वो रावण वाला. So मेरे ना दिल को लगी ये बात. मैं कहा why we are not teaching them our culture, our mythology. So this is wrong. We are going somewhere, nowhere. This is sad.
If we leave our roots.
Yeah.
But I'm glad to mention now Mahabharata, Ramayana and the scriptures are a part of course books of
course,
schools.
yeah, of
It has
course.
been added and gradually kids are learning. Mahabharata का एक episode भी आता है, animated series
Animated
made with
तो शुरू हो
AI,
गया, AI, yeah.
and it's doing wonders. Even हमने movies भी देखी है, बहुत सारी movies में अब हमारे Indian heroes की बात होना शुरू
बिल्कुल,
हो गई है.
बिल्कुल.
And talking about skills, you've been talking about skills. How do you see the role of Media and Entertainment Skills Council and institutions like Indian Institute of Creative Skills can change for the younger crowd who are aspirants of this sector?
I think they are doing very well. I was surprised when I last came here in your office because unfortunately I would go through all this road. I would see only the Tata building, Tata Motors. I never bothered to look up there is an institution there. So that was, I felt ashamed of myself that why didn't I look? Because I've been coming here for last 7-8 years consecutively. So when I came here and I saw young people here, I was really thrilled. So they are developing their skills through these kind of institutions and the schools, which we didn't have the opportunity to have. I didn't go to any school, I didn't go to NSD, I didn't go to any FTI or anywhere. I learned from people,
Right.
my seniors. But today, when I see these youngsters are so professional, they talk about the skills, they talk about the techniques, camera angle, I just feel, oh my God, I should have learned that. I should have. So this is a very good thing they are doing because this is in the market. If they want to make their future, so this is the best way to go through any institution that will make your roots strong.
Sir, apart from that, I've got one more. Yes, I'll take. I'll ask last two questions. One, what have you learned throughout your journey if you want to make it in a gist?
Actually, if you ask me what have you learned, so I think I'm still learning. I learn from her, from you, from him, from this ABC, everyone. Because every single person has its own aura and skills. Someone is walking a way like I would love to walk like. So my learning is never ending. You will be surprised if I say I never read. I have no patience to read books, novels or any other subject. I'm happy to read if you give me this thick book of plays, I'll read it in one go. Because
Comics.
that's my, yeah. But I'm a writer, I'm an author, I have written 2 ghazal books and this my third book came on that was my autobiography. So people ask me, Krishan, how can you write?
Without
when you
reading?
Without reading. Observation.
Okay.
If you ask me while I'm talking to you for last 20-30 minutes, I can write 1 page initially about your mannerism, about everything. I observe you, the way you ask, the way you smile, the way you carry yourself, the way you walk. And that I admire. Because I don't see anything special in my personality. I take from others. So that if I get that thing, so that comes into my writing. My plays, my books, my ghazलें, my things. I meet people. ऐसे ही मैं बैठ जाता हूँ जाके किसी के पास. ऐसे youngsters बैठे हैं जो मैं interesting. Hi, बैठ गए. If you don't mind, may I sit here? Yes, sir, बैठिए. So that's how my learning is. My children really get fed up. They say, Papa, every time you are standing in front of
Trying to grasp more.
Face and mirror and you are doing. Okay, बेटे क्या problem क्या है? We come to talk to you and you are on your this thingy audition. Audition नहीं, I mean आपका वो खुला stand और आप कैमरे के सामने कुछ कर रहे हो. क्या कर रहे हो पता नहीं. No dialogues, just expressions. So I think I would like to tell everyone, don't make learning end. Because you learn, in any age you learn. So this is what is, I believe.
And what message would you like to give to the youngsters?
I don't think I deserve, I'm able to or capable to give any message to the youngsters because youngsters are very, very smart nowadays. But one thing I would like to say is whatever you are doing, do with more, do it with dedication, be focused, and be skillful. Don't divert yourself from one to other to this thing. If you want to do A, stick on A and do it and finish it. Then jump on to B.
B.
If you can't do A, you cannot do B. So start from first step, second step. Because sometimes I have noticed that people say, फटाफट मुझे सक्सेस मिल जाए, shortcut. There is no shortcut in any profession. There is no shortcut in any business. You have to work hard to achieve your goals.
And what's that one word that keeps you going, or I'll say message in one word? Like, what is the must to be successful in any career?
Focus.
Focus?
Definitely.
Okay.
Focus.
Great. It's 11:58. Can we quickly do rapid fire?
अरे यार,
If you
रैपिड
allow.
फायर से बहुत डर लगता है. चलिए कोशिश करता हूँ.
Okay, we'll do a short fire chat with you.
Okay.
You have to just think instantly and respond and give your
And then I'll say
perspective.
pass.
नहीं, pass का
अच्छा,
option नहीं है.
pass. अच्छा.
So, okay, theatre or camera? I mean, theatre or films?
Oh, theatre. Definitely.
Radio or OTT?
Radio.
Talent or discipline?
Discipline.
One skill every actor or performing artist should have.
Understanding.
One habit that has contributed most to your success.
Again, I would say focus.
Focus
Yeah.
and learning, maybe. Focus and learning. Because we were continuously talking about continuous learning. Success in one word.
Dedication.
Dedication. So you feel when you are dedicated, you are successful.
I feel. Because people say, I wasn't lucky enough. No. Once you're dedicated to something, definitely you'll make your own paths. The doors will open. Because it's not that you are doing what you are doing. It's others are saying, oh yaar, come on, give him chance yaar. Ye ghusa hua usme. Please give him chance. Give him a chance and let him come up. Let's see what he does. So that's how it only comes with the dedication. अगर हम कुछ ऐसा नहीं करें जिसमें हम अपने आप को झोंक दें, हम कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
Okay, great. तो हमने हिंदी भी करी, हमने पंजाबी भी करी, हमने इंग्लिश भी करी. अभी लास्ट की क्लोजिंग मेरा मन कर रहा है. ओके, मेरे को तो 3 ही लैंग्वेजेस आती हैं, तो इसी में से किसी को चूज करके करना पड़ेगा.
ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਲਿਆਲਮ ਨਾ ਬੋਲਿਓ ਬਸ.
ਉਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਂਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ. ਉਹ ਤੇ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਂਦਾ. ਤੇ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਮਜ਼ਾ ਆਇਆ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਕੇ.
Same here.
इंग्लिश हिंदी सब चलता रहेगा. हाँ, I thoroughly enjoyed your presence, your sharing with the students. And at Indian Institute of Creative Skills, we invite mentors to guide the students. Whenever you're in India or Delhi next time, please be a part of it.
It would
Please
be
do
my
conduct a
pleasure.
master class
It
and
would
be with
my
us.
pleasure. Or I don't think I'm that capable to deliver speech here to people like youngsters here, those who are looking at me and making me nervous. But definitely, it's a beautiful platform you provided for me, and I'm so grateful to you all to make an effort and bringing me here.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to have you here with us. Looking forward to meet you again.
Sure.
And yes, I'm sure everybody is going to enjoy this triple language chit chat and
Definitely.
conversation coming from
For
heart.
sure.
And I thoroughly enjoy knowing you. It's a pleasure to know a person like you who never stops, who continues to learn and dedicated towards whatever you are doing with the focus on one
Thank
goal.
you so much. Thank you so much for having
your
me.
time.
So nice of you all, and thanks a lot. Good luck. All the best. Work hard.
Thank you so much.